Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into how you can download and install Showmax on your Hisense Smart TV in just a few simple steps. So, grab your remote and let's get started. Step 1, check compatibility. First things first, make sure your Hisense Smart TV is connected to the internet. You can do this by navigating to the settings menu and selecting network. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection for smooth operation. Step 2, access the App Store. Next, press the Home button on your remote. This will take you to the main menu. From here, scroll to the App Store or Vidaa App Store, depending on your TV model. Step 3, search for Showmax. Now, in the search bar, type Showmax. Once you find the app in the results, click on it to open the app page. Step 4, download and install. Select Install and wait for the download to complete. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, the app will appear in your app list. Step 5, log in and enjoy. Open the Showmax app, sign in with your account credentials, and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly on their website or through the app. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to find the app, make sure your TV software is up to date. Go to Settings, System Software Update to check for updates. If the issue persists, you might want to contact Hisense or Showmax customer support. Conclusion. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy endless entertainment on Showmax with your Hisense Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.